Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Wave 200 with any Windows PC or laptop. Before the pairing, remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to just open this case and remove both earbuds. Right now just take a look for the indicators. As you can see, they are blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to open the system settings. Go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices, and right now click to add device and select Bluetooth. Now just wait until they pops on the list. Just be sure that they are blinking like that. I'm gonna put them close to the laptop. Select JBL Wave 200. And right now, when you are successfully connected, and if you want to use the microphone built into these earbuds, you have to switch manually in the sound settings of your from your laptop microphone to the JBL Wave 200 true wireless sound. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.